mai deixa que a dele esteja na frente.
That means have a spark.
Okay.
No gas.
Good.
Ten millimeters. Another place.
Okay. It's hard to take off.
But we gotta drain some gas to see what is happening.
All right.
There is what no gas here.
Yeah.
It's no gas. Okay.
We ran out of gas.
Okay.
Phillips.
This cover.
Real dusty.
Watch here. Okay. We have it out. Just to release this one. Okay. Now we're good.
Cleaning the carburetor.
Yeah. Outside. Then we go inside.
And a toothbrush is fine, you know. It's a small brush.
Toothbrush.
It all works.
Nothing more.
Yeah. Perfect.
Watch this.
Yep. Shining in the sun.
Okay. 10 millimeters down here. We take the boil out.
You hit it to knock it loose.
That's good. Not bad. Okay. Continue.
You gotta make sure to push hard when you do that,
Yeah, hard.
because it'll slip.
If you broke that, never can take out.
Just tap it loose.
Up and loose, but the top is not loose.
Okay.
Okay, almost is. Here is. Then you take this one out. this one out. And now carburetor is ready to clean. Watch this. Spray there. Spray on this. Spray on that. Spray a little bit here. When you spray here, should to come here. It's coming. And there, watch here, good. There is three little hole.
It's not
When
showing
you-
on the camera.
Yeah, okay, zoom it. When you spray on these three, should to come here.
Oh, I got it.
Now we're good. Now, this one. We put it back. This one we screw, here we touch it, here. Good. Now, we clean this.
Careful not to
Chest.
cover no holes.
This way, not that way. Like that. Then main jet. Good. The seal back. This ball come always opposite. This screw go opposite of the intake.
Every time.
Always, always. This one back. That link. Here and there. You remember how we took out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Then fuel line. Clamps. Now we good. Gasket is here. Make sure that hose, vacuum hose, is on to 10 millimeters. Where is that other one? Let's put it some gas.
His channel.
Always premium. Guys, please don't use the regular gas.
Yeah.
This is seasonal machine.
Saves you money too.
Always premium, only.
Mm-hmm.
You can go tonight, eh?
No, tonight really I have 5-6 machine. One. Come on. How are we doing?
All right. You have a good one.
Boom.